Hello everyone, this is our spacious 2 BHK flat for rent in Mahadevapura and it's a ready to move flat available for both family and bachelors. This flat offers a well-lit living room with a spacious space for your family to relax and entertain. This is your spacious living space. On the right side you have beautiful bedroom with your big windows and with attached restroom. It's all neatly done. Just look at the window. Overall flat you have very good ventilation and both bedrooms you have wardrobes. Just look at the view. And this flat very close to Bagmani Tech Park, VOA Mall, Phoenix Mall, Single Pana Metro Station, KR Puram Railway Station and more hypermarket. Ambience like gym, swimming pool, children's play area, party hall, lift, power backup, parking for both 2-wheeler and 4-wheeler, 24/7 backup and security. It's all available in this apartment. Overall flat you have very good ventilation. This is your beautiful kitchen with storage space and this is your one more bedroom. Both bedrooms you have beautiful larger windows for beautiful ventilation. And both bedrooms you have 2 restrooms you have 2 geysers. If anyone interested, just contact the number or WhatsApp the number. It's a ready to move flat available for both family and bachelors. Thanks for watching our video. See you again. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, bye.